Good morning. We have been staying at a hostel in Byron Bay called the Arts Factory, and it's okay. It's been pretty good. Look, we're got all of our stuff here. This is my big bag I've been lugging around for a while. This one's mine. That's our bed here. That's been actually pretty comfortable, reasonably comfortable, and not a bad hostel. Let's have a look. Have a nice swimming pool out here. And let's go for an explore and see what else we find around this hostel. So you have rooms that wrap around at the top as well. You go up around the top, and then we have a kitchen. The kitchen is up here. A little kitchen and facilities, and a bit of an outdoor area here. Little pond.
Good morning. Nah, I snapped my board.
Here's this little outdoor area here, and then you have these yurts. We didn't stay in the yurt, we were in a room, but I have these yurts out here. There's a little dragon over there. It's quite a big one, look at that, and there's two. Hello, buddy. Hello. I guess you can stay in these yurts as well. There's a bit of a pond. It's pretty nice. They're kind of separate places that you can book and stay at here. G'day, buddy. And let's see what else. There's these sort of yurt dormitories. Cool. Hello there, gnome. Let's have a little explore and see what else we find up here. Not sure what all this is. The Arts Factory Lodge. Funky birds, you. And these go out to some kind of campsite. Ah, so they're the dormitories there. Dormitory rooms. This goes out into the campsite. G'day. Hey. Camping. And this must be the camping kitchen area. Welcome to the jungle kitchen. I don't have a key to. I do have a key. That's pretty cool, actually. That's quite tidy. This is really, really nice. Hey, very well. Your kitchen is pretty tidy here.
Yeah, it's not too bad,
In comparison to ours over there, it's a mess.
Yeah.
This one's really, really clean.
Yeah, because this is mostly all the permanents,
Ah, okay.
so they really care. It's, you know, where
Yep.
I live.
Oh, wow. You guys are staying here longer?
We're not, but
Yep.
yeah, a lot of the people that live and work here
Yep.
hang out there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Wow. I
We're
thought it
only
was...
here one more day.
Yep. Some of the friendly locals, they were from Sunshine Coast. But yeah, so as you said, some people actually live here, so the kitchen is really clean because they want to keep it clean as they live here. This is some kind of home tree.
In favour of.
And apparently the toilet was a little bit dirty. Hey.
When Colin come through, Colin was like, what are you doing?
So yeah, cool place. This is the Arts Factory Hostel. So we're over in the main place where we had our room, and the turkeys are really bossy here. They really want food. And you have a cafe, bit of arm wrestling, going on, and then we have a netball, volleyball, and a few other places there as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool place. Now we're gonna head back to our room because we're actually checking out of here today, and then we're gonna go to another hostel closer to town. But I really love this pool. We better check out because it's time for us to get moving on. So that's the Arts Factory Hostel. I hope you like it. At first the internet was not so good, so I made a complaint about it, but then they did something and I think they made the internet better. So they're helpful and nice here as well. Okay.